Here right now on the beaches of Koh Tao, and today I want to talk to you all about text messaging. First of all, what is the purpose of texting? I want you to pause this video right now, and before I give you the answer, I want you to write down in the comments what you think it is, and then we can see if you're right. And don't worry, doesn't matter if you're wrong, but I want to see what you think texting is. So write down below right now, pause the video, and write down what you think the purpose of texting a girl is. I'm waiting. Okay, did you write it? Here we go. The purpose of texting is only and solely to get a girl to finally meet back up with you in person like the initial time you guys finally met. Or maybe you got her number offline, then texting is still to get her to meet up with you in person. So you must know that this is the only goal, and you need to keep this in mind throughout the entire process of texting her. So if we're looking at this in a linear process, meaning we're going from point A to point B. Point A is you have her number, point B is you guys are finally in front of each other. Well, then every step of the way must lead to the end goal, right? So for example, let's say you're trying to lose 10 pounds, and that is point B. Everything you do to get to point B must be leading to losing 10 pounds. So you might be saying, what can I do to lose the first pound and the second pound and third pound, and so on till you get to 10 pounds. Same thing here. All steps necessary is all leading to you guys getting to point B. Point B is you in front of her. I'm just taking a quick walk back right now to my place. Today was fun. It was filled with with a little bit of snorkeling and a little bit of failure because it rained here the other day. And when it rains, it makes the water very foggy, so you can't really see anything. So we got snorkels and didn't really work out so well, but hopefully I'll be doing it soon because I love to snorkel and I want to take some cool footage and show you what I find. About to leave Koh Tao and head to Bangkok for a couple days. And I want to show you something. I got a little beat up by Koh Tao. Look at this. I know. That's not pretty. Now I feel like I actually am the real life hitch. So, no, I did not get in a fight. I actually have no idea what happened. So, at the time of making this video, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna have to go to a doctor or pharmacy and find out, and I'll keep you informed, but it is a hell of an eye. Just took some Dramamine for the boat ride, and I just pray that this is not 3.5 hours of motion sickness. And if it is, I promise this time I'm gonna get it on footage for you. Okay, waiting at the airport now. Luckily, we're not delayed. We will get there on time and move forward with this Thailand trip. But for right now, what I want to do is I want to give you some text messages that you can use. I'm going to give you 2. And these are text messages that are going to set up the date. That's right, because again, that is the goal. Probably said that already like 5 times on this video, but you need to know that. So I'm going to give you 2. These are some of my very favorites. And what's really good about these, besides just getting the date, is you're doing it in a kind of flirty, fun way. Now, also, and we're back. Also, I have something for you. The 7 deadly text messages that you can't resist. These 2 I'm going to be telling you are from that little video. Yes, you can get that video and get the other 5 text messages. All you got to do is go to the description down below, click that link, put your email in, and I will send it to your email right away. But for now, here are the 2 text messages. All right, here's the first text message. You're going to say, do you like food plus activity? But of course, you're not going to say food or activity. You're going to replace that with an actual food and activity, okay? And the idea here is to get creative. So here's an example for you. Do you like meatballs and mini golf? They have nothing to do with each other, and the more that they don't have to do with each other, the better, right? And most activities and food don't go together unless we're talking about like movies and popcorn. But again, meatballs, mini golf, two very different things. So say something like meatballs and mini golf, and let's have you write down in the comments below. Let's get a bunch in here. What is your ideas to do that would be a fun food plus activity that you can do in your town? Let's get a bunch of ideas going so we can all use these together. All right, finally back in Bangkok, and luckily the ride was not so bad. No puking, no getting sick, just smooth sailing and smooth water. So now I'm back in Bangkok and I'm ready to give you the last text message. I want you to use this text. It's gonna be this: are you an adventurous person? Okay, so again, we have already gotten her number, and we are ready to get to the point where we're asking her out because we're going through all the motions to the very goal. So you're saying, are you an adventurous person? I love this text. This is one of the 7 deadly text messages. And I love this text because it kind of qualifies a person, right? It's like saying, like, are you an adventurous person? Like, are you cool enough to be adventurous? And most people want to be adventurous. Most people like to say that they're an adventurous person, or they like to admit that. They like to talk about that. So you ask that question, and then that will get a response from a girl, and then you better have a great follow-up there. So I'll give you some ideas. A good follow-up is going to be something that is going to be somewhat adventurous, or maybe it's going to be a joke and it won't be adventurous at all. It'll be something very simple. So you say, are you an adventurous person? They're going to say yes, and then you're going to comment and say, great, let's do this. If they say no, doesn't matter. Say, great, let's do this. So whatever the answer is, we don't need to rely on it. We can just go forward and say, okay, great, let's do this. So it's a follow-up to asking, are you an adventurous person? And that follow-up is asking her out. So if you want to get the other 5 deadly text messages and you like these and you want more ideas, well then go and grab that in the description below this video. All you gotta do is enter your email and you will get it for free. Now, if you liked this vlog and you like this information, I want you to press the like button. So let's see a lot of likes so I know that I'm giving you the value and the information that you really want to learn from. And if you're still watching this video, I want you to write this in the comments right now. I want you to write the response that you get from the girl that you texted, okay? So I want to push you guys to use these text messages and get dates. I know that there's gonna be some of you out there who are gonna use this text message and say, nope, Tripp, it didn't work. That's okay. The point isn't necessarily to even get the date. The point is to pull the trigger, to actually go for it. So go ahead, write down below what happened after you sent the text message. Hopefully a majority of you got the dates, but again, doesn't matter. Either way, we want to ask her out because why? Yes, that's right. That's what texting is used for. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click that button down below and more fun stuff coming your way.